Hello! Don't forget to check out Tabletop Heroes at www.tabletopheroes.co.uk for all your miniature and ball gaming supplies. I hope you enjoy this video. Hello, it's Graham here from Tabletop Heroes. Thank you very much for taking the time to tune in and have a look at this. I just thought I'd take a few moments today to have a look inside the box of the Rick Prison Advisor booster from Mantic's Walking Dead All Out War. So let's have a look and see what's inside. Okay, let's have a look at the miniatures that we get inside this pack for you. The first one is the titular character of the pack itself. It's Rick Grimes, Prison Advisor. You can see there he's wearing his prison armour with a visored helmet and knee and shoulder pads. He is armed with his hatchet. He's got a pistol in a holster at his side there. And it's quite a dynamic pose, as if he's fending off a walker. I quite like the facial details on this one. It looks like he's crying out, maybe in anger or maybe for assistance. I think that one's going to look quite nice when we get some paint on that. Okay, second miniature we get is from the Governor's Gang, or the opposing force that try to take over the prison while the survivors are there. And this is Harold Abernathy. He is wearing a baseball cap, baseball pitchers or baseball catcher's armour on the chest there and pads, and he's armed with a fierce looking crowbar. He's quite a muscular looking character. It looks as if he's striding forward with a bit of menace. There you go. And then finally, as we get in all of these packs, there is also a walker to boost your herd. This walker we have here is in an overall set, so I'm assuming that he could quite easily be painted up as one of the prison zombies or one of the prison walkers that they find at the correctional facility there. There you go, sort of just kind of creeping forward with a slightly twisted sort of gait to the leg. There you go. And okay, you get two cards inside this pack. The first one being Rick Grimes, Prison Advisor. 60 points, so quite an expensive card, but what you are getting is a character with 7 health points, a really good selection of dice across the stats at the top there, and a couple of useful special rules. First of all, the special rule for this is defensive formation, which basically means that Rick can gather together with the survivors in his area. They can form a defensive perimeter and gain extra dice in melee. And then his leader's ability will also allow other characters with the Prison Advisor subtitle to the card to gain extra dice in melee. So again, quite a useful all-rounder. Secondly, we have from the Governor's faction, Harold Abernathy. And again, this fellow is quite a tough guy with 2 white dice in melee and 1 in defence. No shooting ability whatsoever. 6 health points makes him a tough one to take down. And both these special abilities are related to giving combat bonuses for him being uber tough. So there you go, that's Harold Abernathy and Rick Grimes cards in this booster. We have 4 equipment cards to show you with this booster as well. The first one being Makeshift Body Armour. There you go, so this would be, I assume, your prison armour that you find located around various places in the correctional facility. We have the crowbar, which I'm assuming is the one that Harold Abernathy is wielding with menace. Riot gear, so this is the official prison riot gear. This is quite sort of heavy duty armour and very useful. And finally, a 357 Desert Eagle automatic pistol. This one's going to be adding a purple dice to your attack, so it's quite a gruesome weapon, this one. There you go. I hope that gives you some idea of the kind of thing you're going to find inside your booster pack. As always, if you wanted to buy any of these boosters for the Walking Dead All Out War or other gaming supplies, please pop in online at www.tabletopheroes.co.uk or drop me a message. I'd be happy to answer any questions you like. In the meantime, keep safe and happy gaming.